everyone! Welcome to the new challenge. Our friends will get a lot of goodies today. Some of them will be small, others will be in average size and the largest size possible.
Sweet jelly! Nicole? Yeah, this jelly is very yummy. I like it.
I'd like to try too. Wow. That should be the biggest bottle of jelly in the world.
Hey, you!
Hey, it's going past my mouth. Stop it!
What?
Oh no. I got a small portion. I'm a little upset. Nicole?
Yay! I'm actually happy. But not as much as Enid. She got the biggest bottle of chewing gum. Well, that's special jelly.
How do I get it out? Oh yeah. Actually, this tiny bottle is very tricky. Not bad.
Oh.
I'm done. And check out this bubble. Funny for you, huh? Who's next?
All right. Well, I am fully prepared for the challenge. I am definitely going to win. Wow, this is so good. I really like this honey jelly. It's with the bubblegum flavor. Yep, I can easily handle this portion.
Nice.
Nice. What? Oh, wait.
Nicole? Are you okay?
Okay.
Maybe you want to help me?
Yeah, Wednesday, I'm sorry. Oh no! What should I do? Wednesday, there you go. You look beautiful.
I'm watching you.
Enid, it's your turn, but wait, I want to blow a big bubble. Whoa, that was cool. I loved it. Well, it's my turn indeed. I'm so excited. Oh, but it's a little, ouch, hard to squeeze it out. Wait, girls, it's very difficult. Oh, I'm sorry. I need to think. Whoa, wait a little. I need to make one call.
What?
Wow! Helicopter! I'm here! Yep, we're about to do it. Come on! Lift it up! Wow! I can't believe it's working! Oh no! It's getting everywhere! I mean, it's delicious, but not what I expected, but it's fun! Yes!
The smallest pack of chips. Again. What?
Hooray! This time I'll enjoy chips as well. And it! Wow! This is incredible! Come on, girls. Close your mouths.
Okay.
Wednesday, you're starting.
What is there anyway? What? That is it? Oh, this has got to be a joke. I was hoping for at least 3. Well, that was nice. Nicole, it is your turn.
Hooray! I can't wait to try it. Chocolate chips. I've never tried this before. Magnificent. Oh, I wish I could try one as well. What? Oh, not again. My hand is stuck. I can't get it out. Oh, I'm panicking, girls. I can't do anything.
Don't cry, Nicole. I will help you.
Oh, no.
Okay.
You're going to cut off my arm. Wednesday. I'll pull, Nicole.
That's funny. And the chips are delicious.
Oh, my head! Wednesday, leave me some chips!
I'm sorry. I've already eaten all of them.
Well, I guess it's time for me to try these chocolate chips too. Wow! They're so huge! It's so yummy! How cool!
Nice.
These chips are delicious! You're lucky, Enid. Of course I am! Whoa!
Duh.
Poor thing! Are you okay? Yes, friend! You definitely helped me out! Thank you! Wednesday, what are you doing?
Oops. Hello there. I'm so hungry. And I got a small portion. Again.
Wow, I love cake pops! Oh, yes! This is such a gift of luck! Wow, look at the tiny cake pop!
Okay.
Quiet. This challenge is very serious. And I will approach it with full responsibility.
Just look at how beautiful this cake pop is! And this is so yummy! It's rainbow inside! I want one too! Ouch! Well, it is definitely my turn now! I'm so happy with my portion! Oh, wait a little! It is so heavy! How do I raise it up? Oh, I don't know. Wait! I can just bite it? No? It's not working. Because the glaze is too hard. I know what will help me. Oh, yes! Let's get started! Oh no, that was a bad idea too!
Enid needs my help. Here's my sword. Will you give it to her?
Wow! Cool! This sword will help me a lot. Thank you so much! Well, watch out! Hooray! I'll finally be able to enjoy this dessert! You guys, this is amazing! Yummy! Will you treat us? Please! Of course! Come on, help yourselves! Thank you, Enid. You're very generous. Lindsay, here you go. What a cute chocolate cube. Oh, Enid. Wow! Look at Wednesday's.
Oh yeah. Finally. Who wants to start?
Can it be me? Mmm, smells incredible. I've got tweezers. It will make it easier to eat it. Whoa! There's a cute gummy bear inside. That is so funny. It is awesome. Now, I'm going to close the cube and bite it. Mmm, delicious. I'm so glad. I think everyone will like this treat. What? Really? Can I try it now? Yay! I can't believe this whole cube is just for me! Whoa! And there's colorful candy inside! Awesome! I know what to do! I need a huge straw! It will be so much easier to eat candy that way! Awesome! I think I have an idea on how to deal with this cube. I'll break it! Yay! No! Nicole! I'll eat it myself. Here's another one and another one. This way, I'll quickly handle it. Yummy! And hooray! I have finished it, which means I did well. It's Wednesday's turn. She has the most difficult task ahead of her.
And I've got the right tool for it. Ugh, what a heavy lid.
We will help you deal with it.
This chocolate cube is completely filled with Nutella. Incredible. I'm so lucky. This is delicious.
Awesome!
I'm absolutely delighted.
Oh! Nicole! Look! What is she doing?
Delicious. I'm more interested in what you are doing.
Oh, we thought it would be great to help you. Oh, thank you! Wednesday's sharing with us.